Hello Winklink Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again I'm present with another latest update of the Winklink. What's the current price of Winklink? What's the price in the Winklink? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video please click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. My friends, at this time personally I'm feeling very happy and I want to congratulate all of you Winklink holders. Very congrats, because now at this time the price of Winklink is start jumping, and hope they will continue this pump for a long time. Anyways, before starting this video, before discuss more about Winklink, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the latest price of the Winklink is 0.0004 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Winklink. And the 24 hours trading volume, market cap, price of the Winklink, and a BTC, total supply of the Winklink, available supply of the Winklink, every update is you can see here, my friends. And let me show you, my friends, the last 24 hours. From yesterday the price of the Winklink is positive 1.18% positive change occur in the Winklink. The price is going to increase. Price is increase. That's why I'm feeling very happy about a Winklink, and hope you will also feeling happy about a Winklink. That's a really good news for all Winklink holders, because after a great falls you can see the price of the Winklink from the last 1 month, from the last 30 days the price of Winklink is continuously falls down, and now this time the price is start moving upward. So that's good news. Now the game is over and now it's time to pump. Hope you like this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Winklink? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.